Hello and welcome to your next car. My name's Nakib. I'm going to be doing a short video of this amazing BMW 520i petrol 2019, covered just over 14,000 miles. As you can see, the car looks stunning in the carbon black. It has all the Y&C styling, front splitter, front grille. This car is originally an M Sport and we've added our styling bits to the car just to enhance the looks even further. It's got the 20-inch Y&C alloys, side bars, side decals, has the privacy glass. Car is very, very tidy, hardly a mark on the vehicle. Lovely spoiler there, fits really well. Rear parking sensors, Y&C diffuser, just to give it that mean sporty look. 2019 lights look very, very modern. Passenger side of the car, hardly a mark. Just give you a close-up just to see the quality of the paintwork. Coming to the front of the vehicle, hardly a chip. LED lights look really modern, nice. Coming onto the inside of the vehicle, it's like a new car. Black leather with all the white pipe lining. Just show you, that's all the mood lighting, changes colours, looks a lot better in the dark. Lovely stitching on the door cards. I'm going to start the vehicle up for you now. Sat nav, all standard, has the service history. It's a really nice place to be, it's all touchscreen. Good value for money, this one. Heated seats, DAB, Bluetooth media. One of my favourites about this vehicle is the mood lighting, so you can change the lighting colour, ambient lighting. Looks really good in the blue. Yeah, really good too. Mood lighting. Silver trim, dashboard in black, no marks. Just going to take you around the vehicle so you can have a little look around the inside. It smells really nice and clean and fresh. This vehicle was just over £40,000 new, and we have priced the vehicle at $23,991. I don't think this one's going to be in stock for long. Currently we have 162 BMWs in stock. Hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching. Hope to speak to you soon. Thank you.